If you aren't saving money on orders with Printify coupons, then you need to watch this. Hey there, it's Leah. Everyone loves a good discount, except when they miss out on it. So in this video, I'll show you how to find and use Printify coupons, plus what you need to get right before you end up paying full price. There are 3 kinds of coupons offered by Printify. Coupons that give you a free premium subscription, ones that take money off orders, and finally, coupons that give a shipping discount. The first type lets you access Printify's premium plan at no cost. It's a great way to try out premium features, like up to 20% off most products in our catalog, get dedicated customer service from our very own support team with Printify Connect, and the option to connect up to 10 stores to one account. Printify Balance coupons give you a set amount of money to pay for a single order only. These discounts can be especially useful to purchase samples or even host giveaways, especially if you want to reward a customer with a free order without having to pay for it. The same goes for the shipping discount coupon, except instead of affecting the entire order, these discounts only reduce shipping charges. Now, if you're thinking, all this sounds great, but where do I actually find any of these coupons? The short answer is everywhere. We add special coupon codes all the time to our emails, social media, and promotions. Heck, on our live show, Clicks to Riches here on YouTube, we even like to give them out 3 times. That's why knowing how to use them properly is crucial so you don't miss out on free money. Before I show you how to make sure you never miss out on a free coupon ever again, don't forget to subscribe to Printify. To apply your coupon in your Printify account, navigate to your wallet and select Payments. On the Payment Details page, scroll down to the Coupon section and enter your code. And that's it! Congratulations, you just saved a bunch of money. Feels good, doesn't it? Except the savings don't just end there. There's more than one way to use a Printify coupon. Premium subscription coupons, for example, can be applied while you sign up for the plan. Printify Balance coupons can also be activated during checkout. The same process works for applying shipping discounts as well. However, if you wanted to apply store credit to an order coming in from your sales channel, there's a couple other things you need to do first. If your order approval settings aren't adjusted, an order can be sent to production automatically, missing you the chance to use your discount. So, to change your settings, click on Orders in the Printify menu and select Go to Settings. Scroll down to the Order Approval section and select Manual. Then, when an order you want to apply a coupon to comes in, it'll be on hold. Open up the order details, click Edit Order, and then complete the steps to activate the coupon. Once you're ready, submit the order to production free of charge. Just don't forget to switch your approval settings back to automatic afterwards if you need to. Remember, store details and order approval settings are set for each store separately. That's why if you have multiple stores linked to your Printify account, you'll need to adjust each store's approval settings individually. Although there are some factors that can prevent a coupon from working entirely, or in some cases, even accidentally using it up. So here's what you need to do so it doesn't happen to you. One common mistake sellers make is trying to activate a free premium subscription while their current subscription is still active. To redeem a free premium subscription, you have to deactivate your current plan first, or wait for it to expire before applying your coupon. Another issue that could prevent a discount from working is if your billing currency isn't in USD. All Printify coupons are only available in US currency. Finally, if you're using a coupon from a specific promotion, make sure to read up on the eligibility criteria to claim the discount. Depending on the campaign, a coupon may or may not be used under certain conditions. If you're ever unsure, feel free to leave us a comment down below and we'll be happy to help. Printify coupons are a great way to save money on your orders. But if you're itching to get your hands on one, your next best bet is Clicks to Riches, our brand new live show where Mart and I catch you up on the latest in print on demand. Head to the live section of our channel to find out about the next one, and we'll see you there.